Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto 30 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find Clock app. Then tap on it and select Alarm at the bottom left corner of it. Then tap on this plus icon to create your own. Now you need to set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose OK at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. Now you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. For example, you can enable or disable vibrations by clicking on this little icon, and add it or remove it from Google Assistant routine by clicking on this one. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, like Mondays and Fridays. Click on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to. Now you can save your label by choosing OK. Then click on Default and select one of those sources if you wish to use music from them. I will go with Dismiss though. Now you can pick one of those songs by clicking on the best one for you and selecting the back button, or choose Add New and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on those two lines at the top left corner, selecting one of your sources and clicking on the song that you wish to set up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back, pick one of those and go back again. Then my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, you can always do that by selecting this switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. You can delete your alarm by choosing Delete at the bottom left corner of it, and adjust even more alarm settings by choosing those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on Settings, and managing all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!